It's a beautiful evening and you're working late from home and you want something sweet. Looks like we got you covered here at A Sci Guy Cooks With English Toffee Chocolate Chip Cookies. So let's get started. Let's prepare the brown butter. Let's prepare the wet ingredients. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. Set the timer for 15 minutes. As always, keep in mind that ovens do vary. English toffee was first created in England in the early 1800s and is a combination of sugar and butter. Both look great right out of the oven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a few on a plate. Time to try one. Wow, the brown butter adds an incredible depth of flavor, and the combination of English toffee bits was add a slight crunch, and the chocolate chips makes an amazing cookie. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like you made a great choice. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Stay with us, watch another video.